Hey guys, today I'll be reviewing the VANTRUE dash cam, your ultimate driving partner. This is the OnDash N2 Pro. As you can see, it comes in very nice packaging. I really like this model because it features two cameras, one front and one in the back, and it both record in 1080p. Now if you record just the front only, it have a better quality with the 1440p front and 30 frames per second. It also offer a 1.5 LCD screens with 170 ultra-wide front lens. The back camera offer 140 wide back lens with HDR. So as you can see, I already have everything unboxed, and there is your user manual. Quick start guide. And it also comes with the register card, so you can register your product. And the card telling you to share their product. So the next thing we're going to talk about is the camera itself. It is a very durable camera. As you can see, there is two front camera. One is for the front and one is for the back. The back record in 1440p Ultra HD, and there's the charging dock. It also record audio too for the front and the back. Another thing I like about this camera is that the back camera can swivel around, and you can adjust the camera to wherever you want it to record. That is another thing that I like about this. Also comes with 4 infrared eyes to record at night. At the bottom of the camera, you have the power button and the menu button. I am really loving the design of this camera. On the side, you can see the USB plug that you will be using to transfer file from and to your computer, as well as the SD card slot with the reset button. The next thing you're going to see is the windscreen mount accessories. It plugs right into the power source, and this is the power cable. It is pretty long, so you can run all along your windshield down to the car cigarette lighter plug, and there's your USB cable. Now another reason why I like this camera is that they actually built an extra USB plug into their power source. That way you can charge your phone or your equipment. A lot of other models, they don't care about what other stuff that you have. All you can charge is one thing and they don't care about the other stuff. So this is how the camera actually look on the mount accessories, and all you have to do is mount this onto your windshield and you're ready to go. So here, as you can see, I already have the camera mounted on the windshield. It is actually very easy. It took me about 5 minutes to install the camera and to run the wire. It is very easy. So right now I am setting up the date and time using the buttons located on the camera. Again, setting up the date and time and the camera is as easy as 1, 2, 3. My little kid can also do this. Now one thing I must mention about this camera is that it does not come included with the SD memory card like other model in the market. You have to buy your own and insert it before the camera actually record and save. Other than that, everything else is very nice and easy, from setting it up to mounting it up into your car, run the wire. Everything else is very basic and easy. Now guys, I will leave the link in the description box below, as well as the discount code for those of you who would love to order one. I believe that this product will make a great gift for Christmas or other occasions. So go ahead and click on the link below to order yourself or one for your family or friends as a gift for Christmas. Christmas is right around the corner, and it will make it right on time for Christmas. I have used a lot of other dash cam before, and this is by far the best dash cam I have ever used. So there you go, I have the camera set up and mounted on the windshield. I actually like the way it looks on my car. So now I am going to show you how I ran the wire and connect it to a power source. This is probably the most difficult thing of this installation. As you can see, I ran it through the roof and through the side, tuck it all under the inside the car, and ran it through the bottom footwell and back up to the 12-volt cigarette lighter plugged. And all I have to do now is tuck the wire in a little bit more. That way none of the wire will be showing. And as you can see, it looks very neat and nice. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Go ahead and order yourself one and let me know how you like it. So here is some footage I have throughout the day. As you can see here, during the daytime, the camera is very clear. Even the front camera as well as the back camera, both of them are in 1080p, as you can see. And I will also attach some of the night footage for you guys to see. So go ahead and check it out. Leave me a comment in the section below. Let me know what do you guys think about this dash cam, and if there's any other one in the market that you would like for me to check out. Leave them in the comment section below. I would love to compare them to this one. And I'll see you guys on my next video.